Alright. I hope this thing would stay. Yeah, well, my camera's all messed up on this phone. But anyways, this is a Leatherman K2, Leatherman Free K2 that I got at a pawn shop here local in town. The tip was broken, and I got it for, I think it was $10. And then a buddy of mine said he wanted to try and fix it, so he put a little mini Tanto. So this is a one-of-a-kind free K2 Leatherman, a little Tonto-esque, but these are pretty nice little knives. It's not a full-on Leatherman, but they do have a couple of tools. Come on. Okay, there we go. So, got a bottle opener and a screwdriver, Phillips, and then we got an awl, a little sharp little fucker. I almost cut myself just now, and then a flat screwdriver. The one thing this does not have is a can opener. This is cool. The last blade I bought. I'm done with buying knives, but I couldn't pass this one up.